the street as you're getting one of those fugazi sticker jobs. Well, you're busting my balls here, kid. I tell you what, you bring your car over to me. I'll give you an old school paint job. I'll make you an offer you can't refuse. I'll see you tomorrow. A capiche?
All right, we got this Cavalier Hornet rolled into the garage. This is for my buddy Zeb and his girlfriend McKenna. I'll get to making some patterns for it, and we'll start slopping some paint on it here shortly, and we'll see where this thing goes.
Hey kid, I'm all done with your paint job. You come over here and you pick it up right away before you swim in with the fishes. Oh no, kid, that's all right. You forget about it. See you tomorrow.
Well, there's the final product. Got the car all done. TB Automotive Sales and Service on the hood with a little bit of pinstriping and magenta and dark magenta. Whiskey Ranch and Deer River. Donlinger Ford in Cohasset now. McKenna, who drives this car, she's a salesperson there. Got the number with the checkered flag flying off the back of it. Timmy McMahon always used to have a checkered flag off of his number, and I always thought that was pretty cool. So I threw that on here. I got McKenna's name on the roof. A little bit more pinstriping. Bean counters, I believe they do accounting and tax services. Got our little fake looking quarter there. And then the incorporated, I kind of made it look like a dollar bill of sorts. And around the back we got a little bit more pinstriping. And then I threw something on there for the lettering. Old school hand lettering, no problem. I got a little bit of paint dripping from paintbrush. Passenger side, got bean counters again. This one was over a gap in the body. Well, we managed to make it stick. Two-tone prismatic number. McKenna Folstead, like I say, she races this car and she's a salesperson at Donlinger Ford. They sponsor her. They got a brand new car dealership they built there on Highway 2 in Cohasset. Some more striping. RW Plumbing in Deer River, that's their logo. Looks like a house with a chimney and a water faucet and a pipe wrench and some water and I think a knife. I had kind of a fuzzy picture to go off of for that logo, so I got it as close as I could. But anyways, there. Yeah, at least we got a car out there with some hand painting. The last one I did was in 2019. There's the hood off of it, my Hams Hornet that I raced in 2019. So anyways, good luck to McKenna, and hopefully the car can stay in good shape. And we'll see you at the races.